How do you compete in a market today when things are going off the shelf so fast, but also to prepare your home to sell it, to list it, to get ready when you have a lot of new construction?
Yes, so everybody is shopping online for the homes these days. That's how they find their homes, and I know that that's the important factor. What I do is I invest money into those websites like Zillow and Trulia to make sure that the homes rank at the top. Also, the photography is super important, making sure we got professional photography. We do some videography, drone shots. Just unveiled, we're starting to do Matterport, which is a 3D version. Matterport camera, it's a $3,000 camera, and it shoots a 3D version of the home, so people can actually go online and do a virtual walkthrough of the actual home. It's really cool, and it's all high quality HD. So when you're competing in a market like that, those are the things that's going to be important, is making sure the home presents itself like it should online.